Hi, I'm Ellen Springer, CPA, founder of Springer Cobb CPAs. I am so glad that you decided to check us out. I have a few things I'd like to share with you today. Why should you choose us? What can we do for you? What is your investment in our services? How you can qualify to be a client? And what happens if you don't choose us? And what are your next steps? Well, first of all, why should you choose us? Well, you should choose us because we care. We're very committed to our clients and want them to be as successful as possible. We're not just number crunchers, we're people. We want to talk to you in plain English. We don't like the taxis and the accounting E's. We want to talk with you and help you understand what you need to do and your choices so that you can make an informed decisions. We like using technology as much as you're comfortable. In business, we use QuickBooks and several other software programs, but predominantly QuickBooks. And we use the accountant's copy so that you're able to continue doing your business and being successful, and we can work on those historical numbers to do what we need to do in filing tax returns. We also have a number of CPAs and accountants here to work with you. I've been a CPA and accountant for over 35 years in public accounting. I have lots of experience to share with you. We work as a team for your benefit. We're fully staffed. And we're not just seasonal, we're here year-round, so we're here when you need us. We have clients all over the United States and actually several countries. So with Skype, overnight, email, fax, it doesn't matter where you're located, we're here to serve you. Well, what can we do for you? Well, some of our services include tax planning. We don't like our clients to have surprises on March 15th or April 15th. We work with you during the year to do tax planning and figure your estimated tax payment so that you do not have any penalties. We prepare your tax returns at the end of the year, both personal and business, nonprofit, and estates. We want you to be as successful as possible. We set up QuickBooks, and we also do training so that you can do as much of the work as you would like to. We also do daily, monthly, and quarterly and annual accounting services, so we can tailor the services to whatever it is that you would like and need. We want you to focus on what you do best in your business. We also provide litigation support, divorce, financial affidavits, court testimony, and in business disputes, we'll do that research and provide that court testimony that you need. We want to make sure that your story is told in court. We can assist you with filing back tax returns and negotiating with the IRS in your state to make payment plans so that you can relax and get back to what you do best. Well, what's your investment in our services? We're very competitive in the marketplace. And you know what? I don't want you to choose us to save a couple dollars. I want you to choose us because you value our experience and our recommendations, and you want to do the things that we suggest and at least discuss all of your options so that you can make an informed decision. We tailor our services to your needs. So don't worry. If you're committed to being successful, then the money that you pay us will be well worth it. But also, not everybody qualifies to be a client of ours. Well, what does it take to be a client? We need you to be responsive to our emails and our phone calls. The more time we spend stopping and starting on your work, the more that you have to invest in it. So we want you to invest as little as possible and have your work timely completed. Our business clients, we want you to be successful and eager to discuss recommendations. So we must have your work up to date on a timely basis. Our individual tax clients, we want to know when your circumstances change, and we can reevaluate and determine whether we need to revise your estimated tax payments or advise you of balances due on April 15th so that you can plan and be penalty free. We provide quality services for a reasonable price, and we expect our clients to pay for our services promptly. What happens if you don't choose us? Some clients come to us with horror stories. They thought the CPA was filing the tax return, and when they found out it wasn't, they were assessed failure to file, pay, penalties, and interest. They thought their books were being kept up to date, and they were not. And they found out they owed a lot of income taxes as a result of it. They thought their CPA was taking care of all the deductions, and they were not. And they paid more taxes than they had to. They dropped off an IRS notice to the CPA and thought it was being taken care of, only to be surprised that the IRS had levied their bank account. But none of this has to happen to you. So what's your next step? First, I want you to review our client testimonies on our website, SpringerCobbCPA.com, and I want you to sign up for our newsletter. We have a newsletter that's very helpful in both business and individual tips. And what you do, sign up for the newsletter, and we just send you an email once a month letting you know it's been posted on our website. That's where you can also find our tax organizer so that you can download it and complete it when it's tax time. Second, if you qualify to be a client, I want you to call us at 770-429-0299 and set up a meeting so that we can get started. I look forward to helping you keep more of what you make and send less to the IRS.